Okay, so I'm just going to show you. I have a mesh. So this is the mesh. So on this mesh we are going to weave the hair. So that this is the cap on which we are going to weave. Okay, so this is 100% safe. This mesh is completely safe. Okay, so we take the size, measurements, everything, and we do this cap, and on this we are going to weave it. Okay, this is all the wigs which we do, and this is the customized wig. And we have this customized wigs. We have in grey shade with the darker grey. This is something like a 40% of grey, so we can add 50% of grey or 70% of grey. And we have this long hair wig like this. This is a natural black, and we can do in different colors also. And we can see this is a copper brown. So whatever texture they require, whatever the color they require, so we can do according to that. And as you say that for men's chemotherapy, undergoing chemotherapy, so they can go for this men's chemotherapy wigs. This is without the partition, and this is with partition. And then with this we can do customized wigs. And you can see there this cute wigs. It's for the children who are undergoing chemotherapy. So this is with the front cut small kid, because usually the children, they love having the short hair. So this is something like a cute wig. So like we can do many styles of wigs. And for some people, they lose eyebrows after undergoing chemotherapy. So don't worry. So we are there. So you can just see this. This is something, the eyebrows which we have made. And this is completely made using natural human hair. I can just show you. You can see this. It's a very beautiful eyebrows we have made. Usually the people, they'll be losing eyebrows too. So most of the people, they use the pencil. So instead of using the pencils, you can just use this eyebrows to look more natural. You can just, it's going to be like this. You can just see it on this. It's going to be like this. You can just see this. It looks very natural. So we have different varieties of wigs which we have manufactured for chemotherapy. Okay. You can see all these wigs, and this is the sterilization machine. You can see this. This is where we are going to sterilize the wigs so that it's going to be 100% bacteria free. And we have wig caps like this. We get in the skin color. This is the skin color, and this is the black color. Okay. So before wearing the wig, we are just going to give this wig caps as a complimentary. So this absorbs sweat, and they feel very comfortable.